Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirisha Singh. I am a consultant dermatologist and cosmetic dermatologist. A lot of people come and tell me, Doctor, I have oily skin. My skin looks very shiny, and this is the reason why I get many breakouts of pimples or acne. Now, first and foremost, it is very difficult for you to make out whether or not you have oily skin. The commonest way and the easiest way that you can figure out whether or not you have oily skin is sleep with a bare face, that is no creams, ointments, medications on your face overnight. And when you wake up in the morning, you need to go and look at your face in the mirror. Most of us have a slight shine on the forehead and in the tip of the nose. These are the group of people who have a combination skin type, that is an oily T-zone and a normal cheeks and chin area. If your entire face looks shiny, when you look into the mirror first thing in the morning, it means that you do have an oily skin. Whereas if the entire face looks normal or dry and there is no part of the face which looks shiny in the mirror, then it means you have either a normal skin type or a dry skin type. So if you are one of those who does indeed have an oily skin, what can you do to prevent breakout of acne or pimples because of the oily skin? The most important step is cleansing your skin regularly. You need to use a mild pH neutral cleanser twice a day with lukewarm water or cold water. Try and avoid using hot water on the face, and try and avoid using harsh cleansers, and avoid cleansing the face several times a day as well, because the more you cleanse your face, the skin will be stripped of its essential oils, and the skin then compensates by producing more oil, which will conversely increase the oiliness of the skin and also increase the breakout of acne on your skin. If you have a tendency to break out into pimples, then toning may be avoided. Or if you have pimples only on your cheek area, then toning can be confined to the forehead and the nose area. Use of a moisturizer in people with oily skin. Many people with oily skin feel that they should not be using a moisturizer because the moisturizer blocks up their pores and increases the problem of acne. This is purely a myth. Even people with oily skin would need a moisturizer on the skin surface, but what they need is a mild gel-based moisturizer which will not occlude up the pores and which will not aggravate the pimples. But a mild moisturizer may be used overnight on the skin surface. This will soothe the skin and hydrate the skin without increasing the chances of pimples. If you have very oily skin which is quite uncomfortable for you, what you could try doing is using a face pack at home regularly. You can use a face pack 2 to 3 times a week. The face pack can be made of Fuller's Earth. Fuller's Earth draws out the oily secretions from the pores and can give a nice matte appearance to the face. Another face pack which I very commonly recommend is a face pack comprised of sandalwood powder, a bit of gram flour, which is mixed in rose water. The rose water tones up the skin and reduces the oiliness of the skin. The sandalwood paste decreases the tan of the skin and also helps to give a nice matte appearance to the skin. And the gram flour in the face pack is a deep, gentle cleanser. It cleanses the face without increasing the chances of getting pimples. What you eat makes a huge difference to the oiliness of the skin. If you have oily skin, it is worthwhile staying away from fried foods, foods which contain excessive glucose like your desserts and puddings, and instead stick to plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables, especially fruits which are brightly colored. This will provide the antioxidants that your skin requires to renew and regenerate itself and prevent damage to the skin. If you eat a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables, the fiber in the fruits and vegetables help to cleanse out your system and detoxify the system, and hence reduces the outbreaks on your skin surface. Drinking plenty of water is of utmost importance. On an average, an adult woman requires about 2 liters of water a day, and an adult male requires about 2.5 liters of water a day. Water helps to flush out the toxins from the skin and reduces the outbreak of pimples. It reduces the incidence of scars by draining out the pimples more easily on the surface of the skin. And water also helps by clearing out the digestive system and reducing constipation. If in spite of following all the lifestyle measures, your skin continues to stay oily, or you suffer from acne which looks uncomfortable and which is cosmetically unacceptable to you, and the acne has a tendency to leave behind scars, it is worthwhile consulting your doctor. Your doctor may try some medicated creams, ointments, or may even step up to tablets if required to control the oiliness of your skin and to control the acne on your skin. If you have any further queries, feel free to contact me. My contact details are given in the description box below.